Okay, 5Ks into the ride, already on 90 meters of climbing. So yeah, let's go. Off to the top we go. Let's see what it is when we get to the top. Probably like 110, 112, maybe more. And then I'll be taking it very easy down Kamikaze today. Pretty dangerous when it's dry, and even more so when it's wet. So it's going to be a chilled ride down Kamikaze. So soft underground, yeah. You can see it's picking up on the tire. Let's go. Last stretch and then we're up to the top of the hill. Oh, that was slipping. Almost there. Oh, and I made it. Quick pit stop, guys. Ah. Phew. Look at that view. I wouldn't love to stay here. $104 meters. Yeah, that's not too bad. And just over 5Ks. What's the mileage? 5.46 kilometers. Next up, we've got this crazy downhill called Kamikaze.